Okay, so let's conclude the Petrosains Discovery Center tour. In this whole tour, I learned that they have, they have display very small activities and trying to teach the students what electrical conductivity, what magnetic field, what light can do in their daily life. And they also show that how the industry, how the they recover the oil from the well, and also very science and physics like experiment they have shown. So I must recommend to all those who are living in Malaysia or those who have a plan in future to come to Malaysia. So must visit this place. This is a worthwhile in this Kuala Lumpur especially. So two activities are very important in this Kuala Lumpur. One is this Petrosains Discovery Center, and another is the Aquaria. So must visit. It will be a payback for you. Thank you very much.
Perfect.
How
I
is
like this place perfect.
you like
I
this place?
I like everything perfect with my own toys. I
Okay.
love every part there and
Okay.
all this puzzle I made.
And what about the dinosaur activity? How was that? Is it good?
Very
Dinosaurs.
scary.
Scary.
That was so scary.
Hmm?
But my mom said I have to go away and then go here.
Yeah.
So I'm the small kid, so I can go here.
Really? And what,
Really.
and what about the other activity over there? Many kids comes and transporting particle from one place to another. What did you learn there?
I don't know.
You didn't learn something. Okay, okay. So at the end, do you want to conclude, Naval?
What must subscribe to my channel.
Okay, thank you, thank you.